everyone, welcome to Faith and Flower. I'm Robin. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a cleaning video. We have some friends that are coming over tonight and I need to get our patio ready. Plus we've been away for several weeks and we haven't been outside. We have construction going on and so there's a ton of dust. So I'm going to use this handheld brush to get off as much dust as I can, and I will do this on the chairs as well. And then I will go back in and clean the table, and I'm going to be using my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Cleaner in the lilac scent. It's still one of my favorites from their spring collection, and I think I'm going to be sad when I finish it up. And before I get going on the chairs, I see that there are a couple little presents left by birds. We have a fan, a ceiling fan above this table, and I think there was a little bird that was considering making a nest up there. And anyway, just need to clean up after that. And I'm also using paper towels to clean outside. I really don't normally use paper towels for cleaning. I like to be a little bit more environmentally, correct? And use some reusable towels or microfiber cloths, but it's just so dusty out here and dirty that I really don't want to mess up a whole bunch of towels and then have to put all of those in the washing machine. So we're going with paper towels today. The cover blew off of our grill, and so I need to wipe that down too, and I'm just going to use the Mrs. Meyer's spray again and also on the countertops just to kind of get off that layer of dust, and hopefully things will calm down a little bit when the house that is being built behind us is finished. But we do live in Austin and it's a little bit windy and arid, so there's usually plenty of dust to clean up out here. enough to help me move the chairs out from underneath our covered patio. We store them under there just to protect them from the sun and from any possible hail or whatever might happen while we were away. So he moved those back out, and now I'm able to get to everything and sweep it up really good. There's a lot of debris and leaves that have blown under here while we were away. Because we have a small enclosed backyard, there's not really any place where I can put leaves and debris like this, so I use one of these lawn and leaf paper bags, and any other yard waste that we have can be collected at trash pickup. Now I'm going to get all the cushions out of this storage bin where we keep them and put them out on the furniture to get ready for tonight. Couple things I would like to do are to clean off this little side table and also our storage trunk. Took me about 35 to 40 minutes to get everything done out here with my son's help. Now my family is able to enjoy our outside space and enjoy our time with our friends this summer. I hope that wherever you are, you're enjoying your summer with your family as well. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And if you do, make sure that you hit that bell icon. I post videos every Monday and Thursday, and I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.